How to sign in to Facebook page. Now, first of all, open up your Facebook application in your mobile device. After that, you log into your Facebook account from where you have created your Facebook page. Simply provide your login credentials in your Facebook and then log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in and you land on this home page, now all you have to do is navigate to your profile icon with that three-line icon from the top right corner. That will take you to your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit, and from all of these menus here, tap on pages. Now once you get to your pages, you will be able to see all the pages that you have created under your Facebook account. So simply tap on that page that you would like to log into. After that, you will have an pop-up box in your interface along with a button that says switch. So simply tap on switch button. And then with that, you will be directly switched to your Facebook page from your Facebook account, and this is the way to log into your Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.